So welcome back friends, my name is Shubham and you're watching The Wrestling Battle. Friends, in this video I'm gonna talk about the upcoming SmackDown which is going to happen in just few hours. And friends, no doubt this is going to be an amazing show and interesting show because WWE has been advertised so many things for this show, and I'm very excited for this SmackDown and I'm going to cover everything in details. So watch this video till the end because this is going to be interesting video. Basically friends, in this video I'm gonna cover all the possibilities of these matches and the segments, then how they are going to deliver in the upcoming show. So friends, this might be an interesting one, so watch this video till the end. And if you still do not subscribe this channel, then what are you waiting for? Please subscribe this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get the notification of every video that I am going to upload in this channel. So friends, let's kick off the things. For the upcoming show, WWE advertised a segment of Bayley. In this segment, Bayley is going to reveal that why she attacked on Sasha Banks last week. We just saw last week that how Bayley brutally attacked on Sasha Banks. It was a brutally attack by the Bayley on Sasha Banks, and reports is coming out that Sasha Banks is badly injured after this attack. So tomorrow we are going to see that Bayley is going to reveal that why she attacked on Sasha Banks. And reports also is coming out that someone is going to interrupt Bayley in this segment, and rumors are coming for Mandy Rose, and rumors are coming out that Mandy Rose is going to interrupt Bayley in this segment. And for the Clash of Champions, it will be Bayley versus Mandy Rose for the SmackDown Women's Championship. For the upcoming show, WWE advertised a match which is going to happen in between Jeff Hardy versus AJ Styles, and it will be for an Intercontinental Championship. No doubt it is going to be very amazing match. 3 weeks ago, Jeff Hardy defeated AJ Styles in an Intercontinental match, and he won that match against AJ Styles. And we are going to see this rematch on tomorrow SmackDown show. So it will be very interesting match is going to happen on upcoming SmackDown show. Friends, no doubt it will be amazing match, but question is that who is going to win the match. Basically there is 3 possibilities of the results of this match. One is Jeff Hardy is going to defeat AJ Styles in a clean match. Second one is AJ Styles is going to become a new Intercontinental Champion. But I will go with the third option, and the third option is that Sami Zayn is going to interfere in this match, and there is no result is coming out for this match, and we are going to see a triple threat match at Clash of Champions for the WWE Intercontinental Championship. So this is all about my prediction for this match. In the upcoming show, we are going to see a new brand Firefly Funhouse segment, and in this segment, Bray Wyatt is going to reveal a new member of the Firefly Funhouse. Rumors are coming out that it might be Alexa Bliss is going to join the Firefly Funhouse, and also rumor is coming out that Bray Wyatt is going to introduce the toy of Paul Heyman, and he will give a warning to the Roman Reigns that he is not done with Roman Reigns and he is coming for the Universal Championship. So it might be an interesting segment is going to happen on this week at Friday Night SmackDown. So I am very excited for this segment. Friends, put down your comments in the comment section that what are you thinking regarding this segment. Are you excited to see this segment, and whom you want to see the new member of this Firefly Funhouse? Are you want to see Alexa Bliss or you want to see the Paul Heyman's toy? You can mention your comments in the comment section. Let's move to the another segment or match that is going to happen in the upcoming show. Friends, last week Sheamus brutally attacked on Big E, and due to that attack, Big E didn't compete in the Fatal 4-Way match, and he lost the opportunity to face Roman Reigns at Clash of Champions for the WWE Universal Championship. So definitely Big E will be very angry and he will try to take his revenge against Sheamus. So might we can see some brawl in between Sheamus and Big E in the upcoming SmackDown show. And friends, I'm telling you, it's going to be a very big brawl is going to be happen in between these two guys. So it might be interesting one to see that brawl. So Moving to the next big thing that we may see in the upcoming SmackDown show, and that is, friends, we might see a promo war in between Jey Uso and Paul Heyman. Because friends, Jey Uso is now the number one contender for the Universal Championship, which is going to happen at Clash of Champions in between Roman Reigns versus Jey Uso. So friends, tomorrow on SmackDown show we might see a promo war in between Jey Uso and the Paul Heyman, because Roman Reigns thinks that the Usos family only work in the tag team, not individual. So might be Jey Uso will address on this situation that Uso family can work individual also, and no doubt if Roman Reigns will attack on Jey Uso, because friends, Roman Reigns is now the heel superstar, so it is possibility that he can attack on Jey Uso. So friends, it's going to be very interesting one to see this attack also. What do you guys think, that will Roman Reigns attack on Jey Uso? Do please let me know in the comment section. Friends, this is all about from this video. This is all about the SmackDown preview of upcoming show, and this is all about my prediction. So please put your comments in the comment section that how you like this video. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video, and we will meet tomorrow in the next video. So friends, for now, please take care of yourself, take your family. Bye bye friends.